Hello, this is Pranay Sai, and let us discuss about one of the most important rounds of an interview. Just a minute. Hello? I'm actually in the middle of the class. I'll just call you back later. Let us discuss about one of the most important rounds of an interview. Just a minute. Hello? Could you please leave me alone for 10 minutes? Let us discuss about one of the most important rounds of an interview. Just a minute. A candidate is examined in a short period of time. You are asked to speak on a topic for at least a minute. Based on your communication skills, your command over the language, and other criteria, the recruiters inspect and decide whether you are the right one for the job. What skills are tested in this round? Positive attitude. For suppose, you are asked to speak on a topic like caste-based politics. Even though you have numerous negative points to speak on that particular topic, try to focus primarily on solution to the issue. It displays your positive attitude and shows that you are more of a solution-oriented person rather than a problem-obsessed one. Smile. It is your biggest asset. It speaks volumes of your confidence. It relaxes your nerves and makes you feel comfortable. Flow of thoughts and speech. By organizing your ideas, it provides a smooth flow between your phrases. We'll have a complete lecture on how to organize your thoughts as we proceed further in this course. Moreover, it is better if you can begin and conclude your speaking session with a thanking note. Fluency and spontaneity. Try to strengthen your main idea with supporting details. This actually helps you to join your phrases quickly and smartly. In addition, you can have an accent, but make sure your words are intelligible. Do not yell or murmur. Make sure you're clear and audible. Coherence. Do not beat around the bush. No matter what you speak, make sure it fits the situation. Moreover, it would be great if you can provide relevant and practical examples from your experiences or from day-to-day life. This actually adds meaning to what you're saying. Be realistic. Do not make up stories. Do not repeat the same ideas over and over again. Avoid lengthy sentences and complex vocabulary. Interviewers generally look for simple English. General knowledge. It is important that you possess knowledge on a wide range of topics. This actually helps you to frame your ideas quickly. Time management. Within the prescribed time, you should be able to deliver as many valid points as possible in a clear and precise manner. Communication. It is not only about speaking for a minute, but also able to transmit your ideas to the audience as well as to the interviewer. Others should agree and empathize what you said. By the end of this course, you will be well on your way for a splendid speaking session. We have covered topics such as transitional words, pronouns, nouns, parallel structures, and many more. These help you to improve your grammatical range and accuracy, your communication skills, and finally make your speech effective. All the very best.